Definitely faster, definitely simpler. It was very easy. The audio was pretty great. It helped guide me through it. I thought it was fascinating.
Yeah, the technology was very like guiding. So like I knew exactly where to go and like what to push and like how to go through it.
The machine was pretty good, man. I liked it. I think it's so much faster and easier to just press and click the screen rather than like punching something.
It's literally a touch screen with instructions that are easily understandable.
This is as simple as like ordering food at any restaurant on like one of those terminals that they have.
Now it's all incorporated in the one machine where if you don't want to just do the screen, you have issues hearing, we have audio. If you're blind, we have a touchpad that will help you through the process. So all those things, so we're covering all the bases of people with all kinds of disabilities.
It wasn't as intimidating to use as, you know, the piece of paper with everything on it and worrying about, am I missing something?
I thought that the process was very easy, very streamlined, and I think our younger generation will be excited about it too.
I think they're gonna like it more. It's gonna change completely. It's like a different ball game. The voters in LA County should be very excited about the new changes.
I turned 18 and I'm really excited to use these machines to vote.
I'm only 17 now, so like when I turn 18, it will be like a great experience to go vote, and like I'm excited for it. And the machines will be like perfect to like guide me through and everything.